In this video, I'm going to show you how to enhance photo quality in ibis Paint X. Now to do this, there's a bunch of different things you could do. I'm going to show you the most obvious. The first one to enhance photo quality is to use a large canvas size. Now, this likely goes without saying because this isn't actually enhancing, and you can do this before you actually start, okay? So just have a large canvas size like 2K or maybe even 4K at 300 plus DPI, so you can go Google what 4K or 2K is, and then just basically type that in whenever you're creating a new creation or drawing, okay? That's the first thing you can do. And then the second one is in here, if you're already inside your image, you want to enhance the photo quality off. You want to go to bottom left and tap on the tools menu over here, and then you have canvas. Now inside here, what you can do is tap on change canvas size, and then over here you can change this to a bigger size, okay? So if you do that, for example, if I go to, let's just go to 3000 over here from 2000, that's going to basically take effect. Now, you may have to resize some drawings if you have them in there, so this is the best to do at the beginning of your creation before you actually even start, but of course you can do it later as well. However, it's not going to work as well. Inside Canvas, you also have the resize option, which is going to allow you to change the DPI as well, so you could do that too if you want to, okay? And then one more tip over here is going to be to actually, whenever you're exporting, use these settings. So go to the bottom right, tap on the arrow towards the left, and then here, save image. And in here, you can see you have two options. You have Super Resolution X2 and then AI Disturbance, okay? So you could use this AI and the Super Resolution X2 as well to actually enhance the photo quality inside the app over here, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.